In this video, we're going to be covering how to modify your column headers in your template. First, you need to select the template. These modifications will only happen in the template that you select. It will not cross templates. So first, we'll open the template and then navigate to one of the sections in the report. And as you can see here, up at the right, we have our column headers: inspected, not present, repair, replace, and exclude in your legend. So if I want to add another column header here, maybe maintenance or safety or something like that, I have to modify my template. Now, I want to emphasize that this is not something you want to do in the middle of a report. Modifying your column headers makes significant changes to the meaning of your report. So you would want to make this change only when you're intending to modify your template and not once you have completed content in a report, because you would have the potential to lose content. So at the top of the screen here, I'm going to click on Template because this is a template change. And in the drop-down menu, the first option is Edit Column Headers. It's going to ask me several questions here, and it's going to warn me because it doesn't want me to ruin a report I've been potentially building. So it's going to give me warnings. Here it's asking me if I want to change these column headers in all of the sections of my report or in just this roofing section. Well, I'm going to change it in all the sections. So I will select all sections. It's going to warn me here. So that's because it doesn't want me to lose content. I'm just going to say OK because I know I haven't completed anything here. And as you can see, these are my column headers. Okay, but I need to add a new one. To the right, I'm going to click Add Column. It's warning me again. And now I'm just going to call it Safety. It's my safety column. And I will change the column abbreviation to S. And I'll say OK. So as you can see, it added my new column to the end of my list in the far right. But I would really prefer for it to be before repair, replace. So I need to use these buttons on the right, move left or move right, to move that column. If I click in the box below the column header, it will highlight the box. And I want to move it to the left once, twice. And now I have it to the right of my repair replace column. Okay? Below here you can see that I have a variety of different choices as to what I want to happen when I select that column header. Well, I want to use this column as a normal column that will print on the report. So this next one is if I wanted to exclude it, which obviously I don't want to do. I want to include it as a normal column. Had I gone in and created something like a summary, a safety summary, I could have done that, and I could have indicated that when I select this column that I would send it to the safety summary. I'm not going to work on summaries today, but it's an option. So basically what I have here is fine. So at the bottom I'm going to click OK. And it's warning me again. As you can see here, we've now added a safety column, and you can see here's the legend. It even updated that. So I have a new column here. But the last thing I need to do to be sure that that column stays there the next time I select this particular template is to save the template at the top of the screen. Save T. We talk about this a lot in HomeGauge. If you want this modification to be part of your template in the future, you need to click your Save T button. It's also your clue that you did this process correctly. And now I've made a permanent modification to my template, and I have a safety issue column throughout my report. I can click through here. You can see it's in exterior. It's in all of these components. Okay, and that's how you add a column header to your template.